Extend the expiration date on your Xerox Phaser maintenance kit by an easy 3-step kit, resetting the page count with our replacement coin. There are numerous sites that provide information on how to add back polysilicon oil to a used roller. However, the printer will still report expiration of page count unless you buy our kit. The coin replacement adds 10K pages for the standard maintenance kit and 30K pages for other extended maintenance kits. Here we provide see-through disassembly of the counter coin to be able to understand better how to remove the old coin counter and replace it with our reset counter. First, step 1. You will remove any conductive foam off the old coin. Step 2. You'll bend the tabs of the coin carrier inward by using a small screwdriver. Step 3. You will then pull the entire coin carrier with coin out of the plastic holding slot of the maintenance kit. And step 4. Swap the coin with ours and reassemble. And you have now reset the page count to new condition.